Majorly used in robotic systems. Servo motors provide precise motion required. Concept of gears in servo motor. Concept of potentiometer in servo motors. And control in servo motor. In this video I will brief all of them. There are four main components inside of servo motor. DC motor. A gearbox. A potentiometer. And a control unit. Servo motors comes from the word servo mechanism. This is where there is automatic device used to correct the performance of a mechanism by means of an error sensing feedback. It is properly applied only to systems in which the feedback and error correction signals controls the mechanical position or its derivatives such as velocity and acceleration. Therefore, servo motors can be described as linear actuator or rotary actuator, which enables precise control of linear or angular position, acceleration, and velocity. First we have a DC motor. DC motors here contains two permanent magnets and a rotor with brushes and commutator. Hence this DC motor is called brushed permanent magnet DC motor. Check out how the brushed permanent magnet DC motor works from our previous videos. The DC motor has high speed and low torque. Therefore the gearbox reduces the speed and increases the torque of servo motor. The potentiometer is attached on the final gear or output shaft. So as the motor rotates, the potentiometer rotates as well, thus producing a voltage that relates to the absolute angle of the output shaft. In short, potentiometer is a manually adjustable variable resistor with 3 terminals. 2 of the terminals are connected to the opposite ends of a resistive element. And the third terminal is connected to the sliding middle contact, called wiper, which is moving over the resistive element. The wiper can either increase the resistance or decrease it. Similarly, according to Ohm's law, voltage is affected. When the gears slide the potentiometer itself provides a feedback to the controller showing the amount voltage it received. The precise angles provided by the final gear is compared to voltage by the controller. Certain voltage is equivalent to certain angle made by final gear on the potentiometer. Specifications of servo motors are operating voltage, stall torque, which is usually provided in kilogram per centimeter, stall current, weight and operating temperature. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, kindly subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one.